Alright, the Pythagorean theorem is a theorem used with right triangles that helps us find the sides. This is when we don't know anything about the angles, and it's when we are given two sides. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember that c is across from the 90. It's the hypotenuse. So, let's say that we have this triangle. And we're trying to find this side. I know that this side is the C, so if I set it up, 3 and 5 are A and B, so 3 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. You can work that out on the calculator. Just put in 3 squared plus 5 squared, you get 34. Take the square root on both sides to get x by itself. At that point, you should try to break down 34 as you can. We're not going to write any decimals. If you divide by 2, you get 17. There's nothing else in common, and nothing else that will go into it, no pairs, so this is the final answer. Here's another triangle. And let's say that this side is 6. This side is 2, and we're looking for this side. What you need to know is that the side across from the 90 is the 6. That's c squared, so 2 and x are a and b. So you would have x squared plus 2 squared equals 6 squared. Because these are on different sides, I want to move this over to the other side. Now, you can't subtract the 6 and the 2. You do have to square them each, so 6 squared minus 2 squared is 32. Take the square root on both sides. And then to the side we're going to work out 32. We're divide it by 2, divide it by 2 again, divide that by 2, divide that by 2, and we've got a whole lot of 2's. To figure out the answer, we circle pairs. 2 times 2 is 4, so that goes on the outside. 2 is extra, it goes on the inside. And so 4 square root of 2 would be our final answer.